for an upgrade on your indicator bulbs, please continue to watch this comparison video showing you a standard halogen glass bulb against one of our upgraded 33 LED bulbs. The bulb we are using today is a 382 fitting bulb, also known as 1156 ba15s single contact bayonet fitting. The first bulb we are going to show you is our standard halogen glass bulb. You will see that it gives a very lazy glow. The second bulb we're going to show you is our 33 SMD bulb. Built-in canvas error-free chip, and in 99% of cars will prevent any dashboard errors, stroke warning light or hyper flickering. Now we're going to show you a side-by-side comparison of both of these bulbs lit up together. The comparison is amazing. These bulbs are super bright quality, so head over to our website for a link to both of these bulbs along with a 20% discount and free UK postage. All of the details are in our bio, and please don't forget to follow us for more amazing videos, discounts and offers coming soon. Thank you.